First, the fully automatic air-blowing cleaning machine removes dust and particles from the cans, preparing clean containers for the filling process. Next, the automatic can turning machine changes the can position smoothly and prepares each container for stable filling. Here is the single-head rotor pump filling machine, specially designed for meat paste and other high-viscosity food products. After filling, the cans enter the automatic vacuum can sealing machine for reliable sealing. The vacuum sealing process helps remove air from the can and provides a strong, consistent seal. This complete solution is ideal for meat paste, pâté, seafood paste, and other food products.